Hello, welcome back. This is the final summary of Qubee Afaan Oromo, or Afaan Oromo alphabets. So in the previous video, we've said how to read those letters, which ones are new, which ones are changed actually. So as we've said, the, um, the way we call them is different. Mostly the way we use them is the same as other languages, but there are lots of differences. So I guarantee you there are lots of adoptions and changes to adopt to the Oromo language. So we'll see those in the coming videos. But to summarize this, I'd like to introduce you to some of the resources that you can use. For example, if you can hear to the background music, that is a song by Oromo kids called Ijolle Kayo, and artist Paulos Tagany. And you can find that on YouTube. If you go to YouTube and write Afan or Qubee Afan Oromo, you will find this video, Qubee Afan Oromo. So if you listen to that music, you will hear lots of the way we read Afan Oromo. And listen to that video again and again. Well, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.